What's going on, everybody? Today I'm in Saratoga Springs and I'm going to show you how to install a slip fix. So let's get going. What I've done here is I replaced this valve because it wasn't working, so I put a new valve in here, but now I have the issue of getting this pipe connected to this pipe. And so the way to solve that is by using a slip fix. So they come in two different sizes, a short length and a long length. And since I got this little shorty one, I'm going to go ahead and put that on. So let's get started. So I'll take my glue and just open that lid. Okay, so I take my glue here. I'm gonna take this little dabber, roll it around, and then I coat the outside of the slip fix here with glue, and then I put this inside the pipe there with the glue. And I'm gonna put this side on first. I can see I've already had it cut. So I'm gonna put this side on first because this is actually like a grip, so you can grip it and connect it to this other side. So I'll slide this in right here, give it a nice little twist, hold it for just a few seconds, let it seal up, and then you're good to go. So that's how that's connected. And then I've already, like I said, pre-cut the pipe. Really the length doesn't necessarily matter. Some people say you need to extend it all the way just to get this, fitting put on. But really, just in my experience, you can kind of just cut it to the length as long as the fitting stays or gets inside the pipe in the space that you need. So you just kind of cut it to where it goes. So what I'll do is grab this glue now on this other side, take and put some around the fitting here and also inside the slip fix. There we go. And then I will grip this right here like so. Twist that pipe on, get it so it's nice and snug. It'll stop once it's connected and fully extended onto the other pipe. And let it seal up. Usually give it a few, 30 minutes or so for the glue to dry. And then you're good to go. You can turn on the water and test everything, but that is how you install and use a 3/4 inch slip fix. Like I said, they come in different sizes, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, all the way up to 2 inches. So just kind of depends on what you need. And like I said, if you need a longer slip fix, you can go ahead and pick that up. All these parts, glue, everything you need, valves, all that kind of stuff, can be picked up at Sprinkler Supply here in Utah. Just take some pictures, show them what you need, and they'll get you hooked up. But yeah, there you go. That's how you install that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.